The 99 most used verbs in English with examples in 3 forms. B. She is a doctor. He was late. They have been here before. Have. I have a pen. She had a cat. They have had enough. Do. I always do my homework. She did her best. We have done the dishes. Say. He says it's true. She said hello. They have said enough. Get. I get the message. She got a promotion. They have gotten lost. Make. She makes cakes. He made a mistake. We have made a decision. Go. We go to the park. She went home. They have gone too far. No. I know him well. She knew the answer. They have known each other for years. Take. I take the bus. She took my advice. They have taken the lead. See. I see the car. She saw a movie. They have seen this before. Come. I come from Italy. She came early. They have come a long way. Think. I think it's true. She thought about it. We have thought of a solution. Look. I look at the stars. She looked tired. We have looked everywhere. Want. I want a cookie. She wanted a dog. They have wanted this for years. Give. I give him a book. She gave him a gift. We have given them a chance. Use. I use a computer. She used a hammer. They have used this tool before. Find. I find my keys. She found her phone. We have found the solution. Tell. I tell him a story. She told him a secret. They have told us everything. Ask. I ask a question. She asked for help. They have asked enough. Work. I work hard. She worked late. They have worked together. Seem. It seems easy. She seemed happy. They have seemed distant. Feel. I feel happy. She felt sick. They have felt the same way. Try. I try my best. She tried to help. We have tried everything. Leave. I leave the room. She left early. They have left already. Call. I call my friend. She called the doctor. We have called him. Should. I should go. She should study. They should have come. Need. I need water. She needed help. They have needed assistance. Become. She becomes a singer. He became angry. They have become friends. Put. I put it here. She put it there. They have put it away. Mean. I mean it. She meant well. They have meant to go. Keep. I keep it. She kept it safe. They have kept it secret. Let. I let him go. She let it happen. They have let us down. Begin. I begin now. She began yesterday. They have begun already. Help. I help you. She helped me out. They have helped us before. Talk. I talked to him. She talked to them. We have talked enough. Turn. I turn right. She turned left. They have turned around. Start. I start now. She started early. They have started without us. Show. I show it to her. She showed them. They have shown us before. Hear. I hear the music. She heard a noise. They have heard this before. Play. I play the guitar. She played the piano. They have played together. Run. I run every day. She ran a marathon. They have run this race. Move. I move the table. She moved the chair. They have moved on. Like. I like it. She liked the movie. They have liked it. Live. I live here. She lived there. They have lived together. Believe. I believe you. She believed him. They have believed in us. Hold. I hold it. She held my hand. They have held on. Bring. I bring the book. She brought the food. They have brought it before. Happen. It happens often. It happened yesterday. It has happened before. Write. I write a letter. She wrote a story. They have written a book. Provide. I provide a service. She provided assistance. They have provided for us. Sit. I sit on the chair. She sat on the couch. They have sat here before. Stand. I stand up. She stood in line. They have stood by us. Lose. I lose my keys. She lost her phone. They have lost the game. Pay. I pay the bill. She paid for dinner. They have paid before. Meet. I meet my friend. She met her colleague. They have met them. Include. It includes a gift. She included a note. They have included it. Continue. I continue working. She continued talking. They have continued the project. Set. I set the table. She set the timer. They have set the rules. Learn. I learn new things. She learned a new skill. They have learned from it. Change. I change my clothes. She changed her mind. They have changed the plan. Led. I lead the team. She led the way. They have led us here. Understand. I understand it. She understood the concept. They have understood the situation. Watch. I watched the movie. She watched the show. They have watched it before. Follow. I follow the guide. She followed the map. They have followed the instructions. Stop. I stopped the car. She stopped the fight. They have stopped before. Create. I create a painting. She created a masterpiece. They have created together. Speak. I speak English. She spoke fluently. They have spoken before. Read. I read a book. She read a magazine. They have read this before. Allow. I allow it. She allowed the use. They have allowed us in. Add. I add sugar. She added the salt. They have added it before. Spend. I spend my money. She spent all her savings. They have spent a lot. Grow. It grows here. She grew up in the city. They have grown together. Open. I opened the door. She opened the window. They have opened it already. Walk. I walk to work. She walked to the park. They have walked this path. Win. I win the game. She won the race. They have won before. Offer. I offer help. She offered a solution. They have offered it before. Remember. I remember my name. She remembered the date. They have remembered it. Love. I love you. She loved him. They have loved each other. Consider. I consider it. She considered the options. They have considered it. Appear. It appears clear. She appeared suddenly. They have appeared before. Buy. I buy a new car. She bought a house. They have bought it. Wait. I wait for the bus. She waited for a response. They have waited before. Serve. I serve dinner. She served the guests. They have served us. Die. I die eventually. She died peacefully. They have died together. Send. I send a message. She sent an email. They have sent it already. Expect. I expect good news. She expected a call. They have expected it. Build. I build a house. She built a company. They have built it. Stay. I stay here. She stayed there. They have stayed before. Fall. I fall down. She fell off the bike. They have fallen before. Cut. I cut the cake. She cut her hair. They have cut it. Reach. I reached the top. She reached the summit. They have reached it. Kill. I killed the spider. She killed the snake. They have killed it. Remain. It remains a mystery. She remained silent. They have remained calm. Suggest. I suggest a plan. She suggested an idea. They have suggested it. Raise. I raise my hand. She raised her voice. They have raised it. Pass. I pass the ball. She passed the test. They have passed it. Sell. I sell my car. She sold her jewelry. They have sold it. Develop. He developed software. She developed a new product. They have developed together. Drive. I drive a car. She drove carefully. They have driven all night. Thanks for watching.